Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 BMW X5 M50i. This one is a carbon black metallic. Underneath the hood is a 4.4 twin-turbo V8 with 523 horsepower and 553 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch M Sport wheels. A Tartufo merino leather interior, panorama roof, rear heated seats, rear climate controls, rear charging, X5 M50i badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold-down rear seats, driver's assistance package with blind spot assist, active driving assist, Bowers and Wilkins sound system, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera with sensors, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio media display, USB ports, wheel for our infotainment center, hard keys for the media display, 8-speed automatic transmission, our different driving modes. This BMW has 12,181 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 BMW X5 M50i, visit us at feldmanimports.com.